So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix OnlyFans login problem, password, two-factor authentication and device ban. So fix one is clear browser cache and app data. On iPhone, go to setting, then app, then Safari. Then scroll to the bottom and tap on advanced. Then select website data. Tap remove all website data, then confirm the action. On Android, open Chrome browser, then tap the three dot in the top right corner. Select history from the drop down menu. Tap on clear browsing data, then choose cookies and cached image. Then tap clear data to complete the process. On computer, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete or Command plus Shift plus Delete. Then check the option for cookies and cached image. Click on clear data to remove selected item. Second fix is turn off your VPN. Open your VPN app, then click on the disconnect option, then close your browser completely. Reopen the browser, attempt to log in again. Third fix is switch to cellular data. Turn Wi-Fi off on your phone, then turn cellular data on. Refresh the OnlyFans page, then log into your account. Fourth fix is correctly reset your password. Navigate to the OnlyFans login page, then click on forget password located below the login field. Enter registered email address and click submit. Check your email inbox including spam junk folder. Click the reset link in the email and enter a new password. Fifth fix is fix two-factor authentication error. On Android, open Google Authenticator app, then tap on setting. Select time correction for code. Choose sync now. On iPhone, open setting on your device, then navigate to journal, then select date and time. Turn on the set automatically option. Thanks for watching.